And after customer has finished eating, customer will see all the dishes which customer ordered and he will review those dishes. He liked it, not liked it, was it average, good, and comment how was it. And similarly, it will be feedback about the restaurant also. Like it's good, ambience is good, the restaurant cleanliness is good, it's hygienic, value for money, all these parameters will be captured. And you will get all these reports easily at the end of the day. And you can see it in different ways. Okay, on weekend people are complaining about service, on weekdays there is no complaint, so maybe you need more staff for better service. Or people are complaining about cleanliness, so you need more staff to clean restaurant frequently. And because you are getting feedback much faster and much accurately, you are able to cater to your customer expectations must very accurately, and it will result in getting more regular loyal customers, because customer will feel that they have some value, like their feedback is being addressed. And finally, once everything is done, there are two options. You can take payment through offline, like payment you will be taking through cashier, and then you will show the slip to the customer and everything. Or you can have some attachment on the iPad itself and you swipe the card and payment get taken from the card. And it will be like big saving for environment, because there will be no paper involved. Only if you need paper they will print the bill, otherwise there will be no bill, no credit card slip, nothing. Just swipe the card and you authorize the way you authorize any other online transactions. And this is how manager create all the users. And idea behind making this presentation is that so that you are aware that how restaurant can take benefit out of this application. And in this exhibition we are showing this product. We are not looking for to sell this product to restaurants directly. We are looking for distributor in different countries who can interact with the restaurant and who can sell directly to the restaurant. We don't want to sell directly to restaurant anywhere. So this distributor will be who will be interacting with restaurant, who will get training from us, who will get complete support from us. We will be doing everything for them. We will be setting up licenses. If there is any problem restaurant is facing, we will help with that. And if there is some customization is needed, maybe restaurant need to be integrated. This application get integrated with the other point of sale system like vending machines. So any order which you will place from this application, it will be integrated with existing system which restaurant is using. Now suppose if some restaurant is having some new system, so we'll integrate with that also. So this distributor will focus mainly on building the relationship with the customer and on sales.